strawberry,
Strawberry.
and raspberry. Good morning, peeps!
Yes, it's the long weekend in Canada dahil Heritage Day on Monday and today is Saturday, August 1! Wow, August na, Daddy!
Yes.
Yes.
Panahon.
Ang bilis ng panahon at may where are you going today, Kuya? Strawberry picking. Yes, babes. Pupunta kami today sa The Jungle Farm sa Innisfail, Alberta.
Yay! Let's go!
Let's go!
Pwede na ba kayong pumitas ng strawberry?
Yes. Ready na ako.
Ako ready na rin.
Ready ka na.
How about you, Kale? Are you ready to pick strawberry? Ano daw? 1 hour drive lang naman from Calgary. So, hindi masyadong matagal lang biyahe. At yeah, diretso lang din naman yung biyahe. Kaya convenient din naman sa kapag may mga kasamang mga bata.
Bata. Oo. Yung Athena namin, natutulog na. Nagulat ako kasi natutulog siya. Binigyan lang namin ng milk. Tapos ayun, natulog na siya mag-isa. At ayun, sabi nga ni Caleb, 1 hour drive lang siya from our house. Kaya ang convenient niyang puntahan. Last year, nakita na namin tong The Jungle Farm. Pero, nagpunta kami sa Sylvan Lake noon. May vlog kami about Sylvan Lake. And then, dahil na-occupy na kami sa pag-picnic, hindi na kami nakapunta doon. So, today, sabi ko kay Caleb, ang target namin, makapunta doon. And the best time to go there is as early as possible. Nag-open sila ng 8 a.m. So, dahil minsan nauubos na yung mga strawberry na ready for picking, nagko-close na sila for strawberry picking. Pero may iba pa namang pwedeng ipitasin doon, like yung mga gulay, yung ibang berries kung available. Target namin makarating doon like around 8 to 8:30 para may abutan pa kaming strawberries.
Yes. Mahirap naman dumating ka rin. Wala.
Yeah, oo, may Facebook page kasi yung Jungle Farm and doon nila ina-update everyday kung may available pang strawberry or kung may ibang available na fruits or vegetables for picking. Ayan, babes, if mapapansin nyo, hindi ko alam kung visible sa video, pero yung wildfire today, grabe na naman. Hindi ganun ka-clear yung sky. Because of the wildfire.
He's smiling at me because I wake her up. We are
Yay! We are here, guys! Yes, Kuya Kale, what were you saying? Okay guys, say hi! Nandito na kami sa The Jungle Farm and it's 8:30 in the morning pero malamig guys. Ayan, buti na lang kami ni Athena may blazer pero yung magtatay ko walang blazer, walang jacket. Yay, may strawberries pa. Ayan, may cardboard sila dito. Sino-show nila kung ano pa yung available for picking.
Raspberry, Kale.
Oh, there are raspberries! Yay! Ayan guys, ito yung price nila per pound. Okay guys, so in-instruct naman kami na before going to the field, meron silang washroom dyan. Then we will just follow the signs.
And strawberry.
Oo, may carrots dito. Ayan. May potatoes. Ang strawberry daw ngayon nasa farther part na.
So, lagi daw mag-uumpisa
Sa dulo.
farthest, tapos papunta sa
Tapos
towards
unahin daw talaga ang strawberry kasi yun yung unang
Mabilis.
nauubos. Ayan, strawberry patch. That way.
What is that? A red one?
That's strawberry.
Okay. Nandito na kami sa strawberry patch, guys. And we will just walk and may mag-a-assist sa amin kung ano pa yung round or yung row na available for picking. Kasi yung dito, syempre may mga nauna na sa amin.
Not yellow.
Ayan, may mga baby strawberries dito. Pero hindi yan available for picking. We need to go to the next staff. Tapos, i-assist niya tayo kung saan pwedeng mag-pick ng strawberries.
It's so hard.
Let's pick one. Tina there.
So we need to wash.
Go, pick this.
So we need.
Kale, come here. Pick this.
Come on, pick that. Follow mommy.
Mm.
Pick that. Come on, Kale, pick that.
Pick. Pull it. There you go. Yay!
What?
Pull this. Pull the stem. No, yeah.
Ito mga pips, nakakadami na kami.
Mm-mm.
Madami pa. Still a long way.
Mm-mm.
Come on. Take it. How about this one?
Yeah. And the other one on
There's
this
one big. Whoa! I think this is the biggest that you can get, Kale.
This
This one. Look. Mmm. Cannot eat yet, okay?
Okay, there's more here.
more
Okay, this patch has a lot.
You open it so you can see it properly. Okay.
Strawberry.
Oh, look at that red. It's so bright. Yeah.
Very good.
Good job. Do you want to be a farmer when you grow up?
Really? Yeah, maybe you can own a strawberry farm.
Yes. Ayan tips, lalagay natin as a sign na na-pick na namin hanggang dito sa part na to. Yay! Dami pang nagpipick na iba, oh. Oh,
Ang tamis ng strawberry.
ayan nga eh. Kahit maisa-isa po dalawa, pwede kang tumikim habang nagpipick ka para matikman mo yung lasa. Okay, let's go!
We're gonna go na sa raspberry section. We will follow Daddy. Let's go, Kuya.
I'm sitting down here.
Hello, Pips. Eto, dito na kami sa raspberry section. Tignan nyo.
You just finished that.
Okay, let's go pick raspberry. Kale, are you ready? Are you ready, Athena? Are you ready, Daddy?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, we're ready. Let's go. Nagpi-pick up na kaming raspberry. And madali siyang makita at kunin kasi ayan na, nakalitaw na siya agad.
Tignan natin.
Unlike sa strawberry, you really have to
Dig.
dig talaga yun. Tapos, malalaman mong hinog siya dahil sumasama agad siya kapag pinitas mo. Malamok lang dito sa part na to. Kaya, yan yung mga bata, ingat-ingat. Yan, so ganyan pala yung raspberry. kagaya din siya ng sa market, oh. Pag pinitas talaga. Yung isa, pumipitas, tapos kinakain niya yung pinipitas niya. Ayan, huli ka sa camera.
Can you show peeps? Strawberry
Strawberry. tas
and
ito yung
raspberry. Yes.
Okay, eto pips, dito sa convenience store, i-weigh ito, then babayaran. Cash and debit lang yung ina-accept nilang payment form.
Yeah, sure. So let's do that one first.
Okay. So, strawberries, ayan.
Take a walk to the edge of the garden. No worries.
Ayan guys, may strawberry shortcake. Meron ding strawberry cake pops. Yay! We are here at the Dino Center!
There, look at the Brachiosaurus scale. So big.
Come here guys, so you can see na touch it.
We're here at Dino Center. This is Ankylosaurus. Yeah, you can touch it.
Just no climbing. Touch it. Feel it.
Yeah. Kuya Kale still likes dinosaur. Ito kami ngayon sa Dino Center sa may Innisfail din sa Alberta. Meron din sila dito ang Bible History Museum. At tapos meron din sila dun sa open field na that's golf course, right, Mami?
Yes.
What is that? That's Triceratops, right? Do you wanna ride Triceratops here? I can help you. Oh, nice. Ayan, peeps, meron din silang mga mini golf dito. Ito mga peeps, maglalaro kami ng mini golf.
Yes. So dito, ang entrance fee ng Bible Museum is I think around $5 each.
Okay.
Pero kung magre-register ka for an activity like yung mini golf, free na yung Bible Museum. So for around $30, free na yung Bible Museum. Diba?
I
Mas
see.
okay. Tapos
Yeah.
makakapag mini golf ka pa.
Yeah, that's good. Then
Kale!
Kale, choose your
Ball!
ball here. Come on. Come here. You can do it, Mommy. Uh-oh.
Keep trying, keep trying.
Yay! Good. Mommy's turn. It's okay. Finish your turn first. Kale, wait. You wait for Mommy. Mommy will finish her shot. Yay! Yay! Woo! Almost. No, not there. Should be on the hole. In the hole. More. You can do it. Yay! So mga peeps, tapos na kaming mag-lunch. Ayan, nagbubuo si Mami at si Kale ng puzzle.
This one, the body.
Yeah, wow. What dinosaur is this?
T-Rex with one
No, this one. What dinosaur is this?
Ankylosaurus.
How about this?
Triceratops.
This one.
Brontosaurus.
Spinosaurus.
I know.
How about this one?
T-Rex.
How about this one?
Pterodactyl.
Good. We're here at Bible History Museum.
This strawberry yung
Oo nga, no? Nice. Here.
Day 1.
Day 1. God created the light. Day 2. God created the atmosphere. Day 3. God created the land and plants. Day 4. God created the sun, moon, and stars.
And day 5.
Day 5. God created the sea and flying creatures. Oh, this is so big. Look, it's like a dinosaur.
Almost that's the dinosaur.
Ooh. Day 6.
Day 6. Land animals and people.
And also Brachiosaurus.
Yeah.
Day 7.
Day 7.
Day 7 is rest.
Day 7. God rested. Wow. This is Jerusalem of the New Testament. So big. Kuya Kale, this is Tower of Babel.
This is beside the dinosaur.
Good job, Athena.
So good.
What are you selling, Athena? Oh, are you selling grapes, Athena? Can I buy?
Okay, $1.
Where's Vegas?
Look at this, Kuya Kale.
There's really nothing there.
You think that there's dinosaur here, right? Let's try to get it. But no. Kasi yung illusion lang siya, nandun yung totoong ano.
Then we can see.
1611, it's really King James Bible, eh? Geneva Bible. Great Bible. Ito pala yung pinaka ano, no? Ito, conflict over scriptures.
What did you buy?
What did you buy?
Next toy.
Yay! Like the
Yeah.
one in your shirt.
Yes, nabudol tayo.
Pero
Palis
alam
na
niya
lang.
na may pera siya kaya meron daw siyang $5 sa wallet niya.
That's the energy. When you know that you have money, you buy. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Wala na siyang pera. Uwi na kami, Pips!
Yeah, thank you for watching our vlog. And nag-enjoy kami sa Jungle Farm at sa Dino
Dino
Center.
Center.
Dito lang siya sa may Innisfail, Alberta.
See you next time. Just try to picking a raspberry and dinosaur.
Oh, the next vlog is camping. Say
Yeah,
see you
next
in our next vlog.
See you
Camping.
next camping.